Let's try to rotate using the skis. So rotate, that is turn around to the left or to the right. Let's see, I want to turn to the left. That is, I will slide on the left edge of both of the skis, like so, on the left. But when I turn 180 degrees around, that is backwards, I have to switch the edges. So from the left edge I have to switch to the right edge, and then continue from 180 to the full 360. So I start with the left until I turn backwards, and I continue on the right and I turn 360 degrees forward. Plus you can use the sticks when you turn backward. So left edge and push with this one. Left edge. Oops. Push. See, I'm on the right edge. That's why it's not sliding. I have to go to the left edge. Then it will slide. Right edge, left edge.